Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to HubSpot CRM the right way. If you're new to HubSpot or you just want to speed up your workflow, this walkthrough will help you get your contacts in clean and organized. So let's get into it. First, sign into your HubSpot account using your email and password. If you're already logged in, yeah, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, from the top menu, hover over the Contacts tab. You'll see a drop-down and you'll just click on Contacts. This is where all your people live inside HubSpot. Now to add someone new, click the orange Create Contact button in the top right. HubSpot opens a sidebar where you can enter all the details. It's super simple. Here, you'll type in their email, first name, last name, phone number, whatever fields you need. HubSpot fills in some things automatically, but you can edit anything you want. Take a second to double check the email. That's the main identifier. If you're working with a team, you can assign an owner, basically who manages this contact. And if your CRM has custom fields, like source, lead status, pipeline stage, fill those in here. It helps keep everything organized later. When everything looks good, hit the Create Contact button at the bottom. HubSpot saves it instantly, and you'll see the full contact record with timeline, notes, activities, all that good stuff. And if you need to add a bunch of contacts at once, instead of doing them individually, you can import a spreadsheet. Just click Import, upload your file, and map the fields. HubSpot does the rest for you. And that's the whole process for adding contacts to HubSpot CRM. Super quick, super clean. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple CRM tutorials. All right, I'll see you in the next one.